Alright guys, I'm in the AllTop portable bathroom, shower room. It's raining, I'm dry, and using the bathroom in peace. Just wanted to give you a quick walk around our portable shower and bathroom. So it's made by AllTop Overland equipment. I love that their logo is orange and black. It goes with my setup really well. But also there's not many that actually have a roof. As you can see, it's been nonstop raining. We've had hurricane winds and just crazy weather out here. And this thing's held up. It's been solid. Comes with these nice pockets. We have our biodegradable bags for our toilet. Little compartment here for our wipes. It's our toilet paper dispenser. And got some Clorox wipes over here for sanitizing. Yeah, it's a little portable toilet. Alright guys, just put it up real quick here at my house just to show you how it looks. And also go into a little more detail on our shower setup. So that's our water tank. Black, so it'll attract heat and kind of heat the water up on its own. I'll go into a little more detail how that works here in a minute. As you can see, we've got a base, so a floor to catch the water, and then drainage to take the water away from the camp. And this light is great. This comes with the shower room. You can turn the brightness up. And then also switch to like a dim light mode. And then even in that one you can turn it brighter, dimmer. So it's cool, it's got some adjustment. Yeah. Okay, for our shower. Alright guys, just gonna give you a quick run through of my DIY shower setup here. Got 3 gallons of water, and it's a black tank. I think I got this on Temu for like 25 bucks. This was from Amazon, maybe like 20-30 bucks, something. I forget what I paid, but I'll put it in the description. Comes with this rechargeable battery, and the only modification I really had to do is cut the hose so I can fit this through without taking the ends apart to get this to work. So just cut the hose, and then put a description for these 3/8 hose fittings. Okay, so you see I put that there to reconnect it. That's what the bottom looks like. That sits in the tank. It sucks the water. So you're just gonna run that and the wire and the hose through the top. Anyways, you just hit that. And there you go, running water.